I asked you for the jacket. You said,
Do it, buddy.
I got a job.
The job didn't pay enough.
Do it.
I didn't make my first $25 until I was 30 years old. And I still got 2 of them. But you want the jacket. I saved you money. You can work with me again next week.
Okay.
Do it. Yay! Whoop. It's alright. You can do it. It's alright. It's alright.
I'm so happy to quit.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Yay, Kanan! Yay, Kanan! Woo! Woo! Good job! Woo! Oh, you're doing so good though. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Mr. Man. Mr. Man. Mr. Man, Mr. Man. You gonna walk some more? You gonna walk some more? Oh my. What is this thing in your face? Ooh, snotty nose. Get out of here with that. Get out of here. You can't have this. That it? Show's over? Show's over? Well, at least we got something. Let me guess. You want my water? Oh!